Hello guys, you're welcome back to Structures Pro. This particular video is for those who have interest in learning AutoCAD. I'll be introducing to you some important tools that will help you as a beginner to start making some few drawings or small drawings with AutoCAD. Okay, this class will be talking about unit settings. Of course, before you start drawing to set your unit, making basic objects, drawing lines. We talk about puller tracking, auto mode, and dynamic input. So it's going to be a good one. Stay back and watch till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, click the subscription button and like my video. That will be the encouragement I will get from you. Thank you very much. Okay, I have already launched the software from my desktop by simply double clicking the icon on the desktop. Yes, so this is what it looks like. Then from here, if you look at this place, you see the previous work I've done. So I need to create a new file. I'll come here to launch a new file. You click on this AutoCAD icon, alphabet A, to open this dialog box where you see new. This open is if you have a drawing saved somewhere in your system, you quickly click there to take you to that place. This one is a DW convert. You want to convert, so I'll just click on new because I need a new file. Yes, you select the AutoCAD, and you click open. That's good. This is the AutoCAD interface. I'm actually using Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Yes, is one of the latest versions. We have 2023 already. Okay, so let's quickly do the first one, which is unit settings. For you to do that, you simply command UN. In AutoCAD, we have some shortcuts. Is either you go through the shortcuts or you go through clicking the icon if you know where they are located on the work interface. So I'll just quickly type UN on my keyboard. Okay, if you go to the next one, there is a 3-point circle. When you click on it, if you check the box below your mouse pointer, you see the instruction there. Specify first point on circle, which is on the second frame. Then you click on the second point, then our circle comes up. Then we need to click the third one to finally draw the circle. Yeah. Then I will quickly show you how to select an object in AutoCAD. You can select by directly clicking on the object, It's highlighted already. So if you want to delete, you can delete. Delete is E. Press E, the letter E, enter. It is erased. It erases the object. I will press Ctrl Z because I don't want to erase now. Another way you can select is in group. If you left click and move your mouse towards your left, you see this green color box. Anything this green color box touches becomes highlighted. It doesn't need to cover them all, just to touch the object. That's what it needs. So let me start from here. You touch this to highlight it, touches this to highlight it. Anything touches at all, it doesn't need to cover it all. That's number 2. Then another way to highlight is when you left click again and you release the mouse. Don't click and hold, just click and release the mouse, then move to the right. You see a blue highlighter. This one have to cover everything before it highlights it. If it doesn't cover everything, it will not highlight it. It's touching the biggest circle, but it hasn't highlighted it. If I stop here, if I click again, you see that this one has not been highlighted because it didn't cover it completely. This is the third one. I'll press escape. The fourth one is when you left click and hold the mouse button and start coming to wherever you want to highlight, whatever you want to highlight. This is another way of highlighting objects. Okay, so when you want to make a line with a specific dimension, you simply click on line and you type. I like using shortcuts. Type line, enter. You click. Okay, this line is not straight. Let me quickly show you another important and powerful tool. If you come down here, you see auto mode. This auto mode is F8. So for you to activate this auto mode, is either you press F8 on your keyboard, or you simply click the icon. You see the color will change to have a kind of blue background. That means it is active. If you click it again, you have deactivated it. So when you put it active, what it does is that all your lines will be vertical or horizontal. You cannot draw any diagonal line. So I'll put it on to see my line is going vertically upward or go horizontally directions. So now I can type in the distance I want it to go. I can type 4 mm or 40 mm. I'll press enter on the keyboard. See, it has taken it. I'll type another one, maybe 80. I'll press enter. It has taken it. If I want to specify an angle, if I want this line, this next line to be inclined, I can simply do that by specifying an angle of inclination. And how do I do that? You simply press shift less than symbol on your keyboard and type the angle. I'll put 60. I'll press enter. So this is inclined at angle 60 from the horizontal. So now I can now put the length of that one. I'll put it at maybe 60 again. Becomes the length. That's that. I can still specify another angle. Say less than. I'll put 25. Enter. Yeah. See, 25 degrees. So I can specify the length. That's that. So another one I would like to show you is the next one is polar tracking. If you come to this side, you see polar tracking. You have to activate it by simply clicking on it to make it active. Once you make it active, this auto mode will be deactivated. So the two of them cannot work at the same time. But if you don't have this icon here, if you don't have it here, you simply come to these 3 lines, come to this place, click on it, then find polar tracking. Yeah, polar tracking. Yeah, so it's active. So if your own is not active, just click on it. You will see it appear on that dialog box. You activate it. You get it activated. Then you click this down arrow. When you click it, it brings set of angles. So if you anyone that is active is where it allows your line to go towards. Our line can track angle 90 forward, can track angle 180, 270, 360 if this one is on. So let me show you how it works. Once it is on already, then I'll click the first point. See, notice the green line. Notice the green line. So that one is an angle 0. Notice the green line. That's angle 90. Notice the green line as angle 180. Notice the green line as angle 270, angle 360 or 0. That's how it works. Then if you want to change the angles, you can come here back, you put this one on so that you can track 45, 90, 135, 180. You can do it for 30, 60, 90, 120, anything. It depends on what you want. That if you want it to be this one, you can click this one, activate it, then come here. It tracks it at 5 degrees, tracks it at 5 degrees. Yeah, that's it. Another powerful tool. Then the next one is a dynamic input. My dynamic input is here, is on, is here, but not active yet. I will activate it now. But if you cannot see it here at this position in your own system, quickly come to these 3 points, these 3 lines here, click on it, look for dynamic input. My own is on, that's why you are seeing this tick here. If your own is not on, that means you need to click on it so that this tick will come out and you will see it here. So you come here and click on it again to make it active. So what does it do? When you click a line, when you command a line, the line enter, it gives you the opportunity to type in the length of a line and the angle one after the other. So I will just type in the length, let me see, 130 should be the length. Then after typing, you press the tab button on your keyboard to activate the angle box. The angle box is active now. You can see it's showing on blue background. So you now type in the angle, you say 30 degrees. That's dynamic input. Gives you the opportunity to type in whatever you want to type in, the distance and the angle at the same time. So now it's still showing me the angle and the distance for me to specify distance first. Here I can put 200 if that's what I want to put there. I will press tab button, not enter, tab button. Then you specify the angle 75. So at this point I will stop. Next time we continue, I'm going to show you a lot of things. Here you are going to learn AutoCAD from scratch. This is just the beginning, the kind of introduction. Next time we are going to do something, go deeper in it. We are going to go deeper into it. I will beg you at this point to subscribe to my channel. I need you to encourage me by subscribing. Subscription is free of charge. Subscribe and like my video and continue to stay tuned. Thank you. See you next time.